Hello everyone! Today my video is about the kits that I have developed for Bead Crochet ornaments, Christmas ornaments. I'm planning to develop also the kits for Easter eggs as well for Easter. Probably they will be available in winter too. So let's see what's the kit consists of. Mainly these kits have been developed by me for ornaments first of all. So you see the ornaments here, one of it. This is the ornament I have made already. I just need to attach the ribbon, and the kit includes this is how it looks packed. As you can see, it has my logo, and it has all the material necessary to make such Christmas ornament. So let's see. It does have beads, as you can see. I don't use the Chinese beads because they're not as uniform. I mentioned it in my previous videos. And if you do something from them, the look doesn't really, like the final look of the ornaments would not look great. So I use Czech or Japanese beads, mostly Czech beads. Then I have included the end cap for like the top part of the ornament, the glue to attach it, the crochet thread, just you need for the whole ornament, and the ribbon as well. I also included stuffing, as I make the not the hard ornaments, as they might break, although you can use the styrofoam, but I usually do the stuffed ornaments, and the stuffing is like really easy to put on the kit. That's why I did it. So that's all that is included. I also can include the instruments as well for additional price, as a crochet hook and beading needle, or you can purchase it separately. I will have drop the links where I purchased my crochet hooks and beading needles. I'll show you for which ornaments I have the kits right now. So this one you have seen, then this big one too, then this one with the Christmas candy and the bells, then the reindeers one, the running deers one, the Santa Claus with the deers, this gold and blue one. It's a little bit different from the first one that I have shown you. Here's for you to see the difference. And then also the yellow bird one, the green one, myrrh one, the penguin one, and also the new one that is coming is Santa Claus with the present with the Christmas bells. So that's it from me today. So hopefully you like my kits, and I will drop down the link below in the comments or under the video where and how you can get them. Thank you very much. See you next time.